Discover the serene beauty of San Jose's Blossom Valley. Glide over the Santa Cruz Mountains and arrive at 5104 Fell Avenue, a stunning single-story haven in the exclusive, secluded Erikson neighborhood. Step into 1,572 square feet of open, inviting living space. Gleaming hardwood floors lead through an elegant dining room, perfect for gatherings, and into cozy living and family rooms, where LED-lit bookshelves and a sleek fireplace create warmth for relaxing or entertaining. Cook in style in this modern kitchen, featuring durable quartz countertops, timeless shaker cabinets, and a breakfast bar for quick meals or casual chats, all designed for effortless functionality. Escape to the serene master suite with a spa-like bathroom boasting dual showers and a rainfall feature. Spacious secondary bedrooms offer flexibility for guests or offices, with sliding doors enhancing indoor-outdoor living. By night, sliding doors from the master bedroom and family room open to a backyard entertainer's paradise, illuminated by stunning outdoor lighting. The built-in bar and TV setup create the perfect setting for unforgettable evenings. Nestled in a prime location, commute easily to tech giants like Nvidia and Netflix. Unwind at the Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk, just 40 minutes away, or enjoy nearby parks, Oakridge Mall, and stores like Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, and Costco. 5104 Fell Avenue blends indoor-outdoor, living with city convenience. Schedule your tour today to experience this dream home, day or night.